Okay, hi everyone. My name is Yatish. My matrix card number is 10D20F 2002 from class D2A. So, today I'm going to explain about practical work 6. So, the first question is the following program contain 5 errors. So, which is syntax error, the runtime error, linked error, and misused of percentage operation, and semantic error. So we need to verify the error and fix it to get the correct order. I mean correct output. So if you can see this the coding, this is the wrong coding. So we need to redo and to get the correct output. Okay, so the first one will be, so the first error is we found at the main here, so it need to be small letter. And then the second one will be the uh, we need to put a double dot here, and then the scanf will be the same, and the third one will be integer. So a plus b equal to c, so we need to change c equal to a plus b. So average sum for stroke n, not 0, so that's number 4. So the last one is average equal to double percentage is wrong, so the correct one is average minus percentage d. Okay, so the output is, so let's compile and run. So no error. um, the number of element is be 5, and then the number 1 will be 45, and then the number 2 will be 35, number 3 38, and then number 4 31, then 49 equal, so we get the average is around 39. Okay, so let's move to the second question. So the second question is we need to fill the blanks to the complete this program. So they will give they already give the coding, so I do the, okay, so this is the coding for number 2. Okay, so this include studio.h and then integer main. So integer r is 100, and then integer nij is temporary temperature, and then the printf is stroke and sort of element of arraying in ascending order. So the figure C, the coding given here is almost same, but we need to add and we need to rearrange it to get the correct coding lah. So see here they wrote void main, so we need to change to integer main. So some more. Okay, so we need to fill in the blanks. So here I write is nij and temperature. Okay, so the here we write is ARR1 I. Okay, so here we wrote apostrophe percentage D, close apostrophe, and then the printf over here is stroke element of array in sorted ascending order. Okay, for the this blank is ARR is equal to 1, so bracket 1. Okay, let's get the output. So the input size, okay, okay, the input size of array is 5, then the element 0 is 2, 1 is, I mean element 0 is 2, element 1 is 7, element 2 is 4, and element 3 is 5, and then element 4 is 9. So the this will be the ascending order. Okay. So let's move to the third question. The third question is we need to write using array to sum of the value resistor to given a circuit built up to the flowchart and get the output for this program. Okay, the flowchart is main integer mark and then the number of resistor in circuit for I equal to 0, so I lesser than n plus plus I. So the next one is enter the value of resistor and number plus equal to mark. Sum is equal to number, so the sum of the value of the resistor and then finally is n. So the programming is okay. So you guys see integer studio dot include studio dot h integer main integer marks is 10 in number and 0 sum. So the printf is the number of resistor in the circuit. So the second one is enter the value of the resistor percentage d, and the final one is sum of the value of the resistor equal to percentage d. Okay, so let's compile and run. So the number of resistor is 3. Okay, so the number of resistors is 3 and the resistor 1 is 2, 5 and 8. So the sum of the resistors is equal to 15. Okay, for the output. Okay, for the fourth question is write the program and trace the output to understand and get the output of the program. Okay, so the uh, this is the coding that I do. Okay, include studio dot h is so include studio. Um, integer number is 10. So integer I equal to 0. So initialize element of array to n to 0. So from here we need to find uh, the correct programming. Okay, so you see the difference that I do is so it's almost the same. Okay, so the now we need to find the output. So this question is about to find the output. Okay, and run. So the output will be this one. So number 0 until 9. So start from 100 to 109. Okay, for the last question is about the we need to trace an output again. So this is the coding that we need to do. So the first one is this the coding. So integer main, integer number 5, then is integer main 5 is under 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 50. So while I lesser than 5, so the printf is number percentage d. So the percentage d stroke n. So the number is I. Okay, so this one also you need to trace the output. So this is the output. So the number 0 to 5. So I is lesser than 5. So we count 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So it's correct. So that's all for today. This is my final lab about practical work 6, programming fundamental. Thank you.